Imagine a soft light, a memory of a love you once had. Not the person, not the story, but the feeling that once made your chest open like the sunrise. This story may still be within you. There once were two beings who found each other by vibration, not by accident. In the great fabric of divine software, your frequencies aligned like two notes in harmony. You may have called it romance, or friendship, or even family, but the truth is, you recognized something in them that was already in you. And so you gave time, trust, tenderness. You built invisible bridges between your souls. An entanglement turns sacred love into a bond that will continue going on into a loop until it is corrected with the same love that was worked with to create it, into the very debris that clogs the flow, the river of life within. It is not wrong that the bond has to change. It is natural for vibrations to shift. But what you hold on to, the guilt, blame, the heartache, that is not divine love. That is the residual of an unprocessed memory. You see, those people in our lives that come to us are counterbalancing our imprint to heal us. So now, return to that original moment of deep love, not to ignite it, but to remember that it is yours. You created it, you shared it, and you can use it to set yourselves both free of it. Working with the 12 steps, oponopono allows this freedom.